How to delete stock items in AAAPOS RetailManager. Welcome to this tutorial on how to delete stock items in AAAPOS RetailManager. Deleting stock items helps you clean up your inventory by removing unnecessary records. Today, we'll show you how to delete individual items or merge them into the deleted item. Let's dive into the process. Before deleting stock items, here are some important notes. You cannot delete a stock item with serial number tracking enabled. You cannot delete items that are currently in stock, have a negative quantity, or are on order. Only items with zero quantity can be deleted. Once an item is deleted, you will no longer have access to its record. Make sure you are deleting the right item. Please note that once you delete a stock item, you will no longer be able to run reports on the product or see who has bought it. If you don't want to do this option, you could just go and hide the product in searches and reports, but you will still be able to see the transaction history from the stock window. To learn more about this, go to Information Stock in the AAAPOS RetailManager video tutorials for more information. Also consider doing a backup before you delete any records. See File menu, Backup in the AAAPOS RetailManager video tutorials for more information about backing up your database. First, go to the Admin menu and select Merge, Delete Records. Next, click the Select Records from drop-down and choose Stock from the list of available options. Now, enter the barcode of the stock item that you want to delete in the Old Barcode field. Click Delete Record. A prompt will appear asking if you want to merge the item with the deleted item. Click Yes to confirm. The stock item will be merged into the deleted item, which is where all deleted items are stored. If you have more items to delete, you can continue the process. Otherwise, you can click the Close icon or press Escape to close the Merge or Delete Records window. An information window will appear notifying you that RetailManager will close your shopfront to complete the deletion process. Ensure that no other terminals are connected to the shopfront before clicking OK. Once you click OK, your shopfront will close and the stock records will be deleted from RetailManager. If you have only one shopfront, it will automatically reopen. If you have multiple shopfronts, select the shopfront you want to open. Once the deletion process is completed, the stock items will be removed, and the old barcode can be used for a new stock item. That's it. You've successfully deleted stock items in AAAPOS RetailManager. If you have any questions or need further help, check out our other video tutorials or contact our support team.